Game changer.
Extremely.
Isn't that incredible?
That's awesome.
We need advances like that in so many other areas of medicine as well.
Yes, we do. Well, Tim's here now. Hi, Tim.
Yeah, it's going to be a warm day today again, guys. You know, I'm calling it cooler than yesterday, but, you know, you step outside, you're still going to think it's hot.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's be honest. The temperatures in the upper 80s today. We had a cold front come through the area last night. That's changed our wind, so it'll be a few degrees cooler than our 90s from yesterday. But if you're spending the day at the beach, starting the weekend early, it's going to be a good place to be. 85 degrees today. Water temperatures are up there as well to near 80. UV index at 8. And keep in mind, we've been running story after story about rip current risk, and that is at a moderate today at the Virginia Beach ocean front. There's a look out at the ocean front. A beautiful sunrise taking shape. Your weather headlines for the next several days is going to be hot, hazy and humid, and also very dry. We have no rain chances out there for the next 5 to 6 days. If you caught one of those showers that developed along the cold front yesterday, consider yourself one of the lucky ones, because you're going to have to start watering those lawns as we get through the weekend, especially with these toasty temperatures heading our way. 79 degrees outside right now. Dew point at 77. Notice the winds have shifted with that northerly component, and that'll drive down these dew points just a little bit. Probably won't even be able to notice it. It'll be still warm and humid out there, but it just won't be as high as yesterday. 78 in Newport News, 70 in Ahoskie, 75 out in Hertford, Williamsburg, 76 in Hampton, 75 out in Edenton. You see the line of clouds that developed along that front yesterday, even a few showers down to the south and a few rumbles of thunder. It's all gone now. High pressure and control to our north, and that'll drive our winds out of the north today, which is why I'm calling it a little bit cooler and a little bit less humid. But it's not going to last. That high is on the move. It's going to park right overhead into this upcoming weekend, and that provides us a very unique position with this heat wave. It's going to be hot and humid out there, don't get me wrong. Mid-90s on Sunday, but we're spared the brunt of the extreme heat that's going to be found to the north into New England, a place you don't typically find it. They're talking triple-digit air temperatures. You factor in the humidity, it's going to feel like 110 to as high as 115 in some spots up there, and they're not used to that like we are down here. Temperatures this weekend for us, low to mid-90s Saturday and Sunday. Notice a far stretch to the records that stand for the date. 101 in 1936 for tomorrow, 100 in 1901 for Sunday. So we'll watch that closely, but it looks like we'll stay below that. But with the heat index values, it definitely will feel that hot. Here's how it looks on Futurecast today. Mostly sunny skies, temperatures topping out a few degrees cooler than yesterday. Upper 80s, some spots still hitting that 90-degree mark. As we get into the evening hours, I put about 10% chance an isolated shower, and that'll be found farther to the north, closer to where that front is stalled out. So we go into tonight and tomorrow, those winds gradually begin to turn back around out of the south, and that'll push the humidity back up tomorrow, as well as our temperatures. I think we climb into the low 90s and even hotter into the day on Sunday, both days with plenty of sunshine. So low 90s, a possibility well inland here, but I think upper 80s are more likely. As we go through the peninsula, 89 in Gloucester, 93 in Williamsburg, 88 Hampton, 87 in Cape Charles, northeastern North Carolina, 89 Hertford, to Ahoskie, maybe 90 in Edenton, mid-80s along the Outer Banks. So tonight, 74, warm and muggy as those winds start to turn around out of the south after midnight in most spots. And then 92 by Saturday, 94 on Sunday, heat indices as high as 107. And then even still hot and humid into early next week. 4th of July, 89 and partly cloudy. All right, let's get over to Christina now for checking the roads.
Hey, Tim, a couple of things to talk about.